Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Paul Mangum, the founder and owner of a company called InstaPrivy, InstaPrivy. You might be able to guess what they're all about. Thanks for joining us, Paul.
Hey, thanks for having me, Fred.
Well, describe for us what InstaPrivy is all about.
Yeah, so the InstaPrivy is a super compact, lightweight, portable toilet system that sets up instantly, and it makes a world of difference in the outdoors.
Well, describe what the whole system is like for us. I understand this is contained in a backpack.
Yeah, it's a complete kit that comes in a backpack, and it's your toilet chair, the a shelter to put over your head so you'll have privacy, and also includes a toilet paper, hand sanitizer, a little pocket for that in the shelter, so it's nice and handy. And we use and recommend waste bags for the chair, but it's also made so that you don't have to use the waste bag, especially in an emergency situation when you don't have the bags. We include backup in the way of a little shovel that comes in the kit. We also have toilet seat covers. So if you're using it in a group and somebody's germ sensitive, they can use a toilet seat cover just like in a commercial bathroom.
Well, holy cow. How did this come about? Where'd you get the idea for this?
Yeah, great question. So I am a proud father of 5 kids, and we love outdoor adventures. And while preparing for one of our adventures in an area that was off the beaten path and no privacy, I thought, it'd really be nice to have a portable toilet system that I could just bring along with me, and then the kids will be comfortable and happy and ready for the next adventure. And I looked around and nothing existed. And so I just got tinkering in my garage and drew out some plans and came up with the InstaPrivy idea and concept and for my own family. And then as I continued to work on it, I thought, there's a lot of people out there that would really benefit from the InstaPrivy. And I thought it'd be a good idea to work on getting that to the market.
So then you had an engineering challenge. How'd you go about tackling this?
Well, that was kind of a fun part because I created the initial prototypes for the chair out of wood in my garage, and it worked great. But then I had to create one that we could turn into a plastic mold. And so I've taken that. Sorry. I took that to a design guy, and he worked on it. And then I had to take it to a couple more people, but finally found the right guy who's an actual engineer that helped me get it to where the chair is today. It's greatly improved and ready for market.
The idea of putting this into a backpack. I mean, there are other portable toilets out there, I'm sure you know, but putting this into a backpack, that's pretty unique, it seems.
What I found when I was looking for a portable toilet system is that the other products were really not portable at all, at least from my perspective, because I think most people, when they want to get outdoors, they really want to get out. They want to go fishing or off-roading or hiking. And so my goal when I started thinking about this was, hey, if I can put everything in a small bag and have it super lightweight, the whole kit weighs just under 7 pounds. That would be something that I would use, and I think other people would be interested in using too, instead of having big, bulky stuff that's awkward and unsanitary to drag around with them. And so I created the shelter first, actually, and had some friends say, but we need a chair too. Actually, there's a couple of ladies, and I realized they were right, and so I didn't set about to create a chair, but there wasn't a chair that fit in a small backpack like this, and so I had to create a chair too, and it turned out to be a good thing because there's nothing like it that's on the market. So yeah, it's kind of creative, and it's been a fun journey as well.
And are you a fan of Game of Thrones? I just
Indeed, I am.
Well,
and this has been a Game of Thrones too, that's for sure.
Well, tell us about pricing and availability.
Yeah, so the suggested retail price is $99, but right now we are on Indiegogo. We just launched our campaign on June 21st, and It's if you're not familiar with Indiegogo, it's basically a crowdfunding source where you can pre-order your product, and as soon as it's available, which we anticipate October, November timeframe, we'll ship that out to you. But that helps us get going as a startup company, and it helps you order and get in line to get your product as soon as possible. And so if somebody just goes to Indiegogo and puts in InstaPrivy, they'll go right to our site, and we got some fairly entertaining videos there for you as well.
Right. Not too graphic, though.
No, not at all. But a little bit of humor. You have to have a little bit of humor when you're talking about a toilet product, in my opinion.
And there is a site that you have as well at InstaPrivy.com that will lead people to the Indiegogo page as well, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you for mentioning that. Absolutely.
Terrific. Well, Paul Mangum, thank you for taking the time with us.
Hey, thank you for the opportunity, sir. Have a great day.
Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors for my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code TEXTINATION to save 10%. That's gosun.co.